Yeah, students, good afternoon. Good afternoon to everybody. So last class have when we can completed a cash account, that is means the cash chapter is completed. So that have an general single column account, double column account, and triple column account, petty cash books. Both are all cash books is in completed. Okay, students. Now we are going to today discussing about a new chapter, that is trial balance. What is that? That is the trial balance. This trial balance is basic of final accounts, isn't it? This trial balance is basic of final accounts, friends. Why? Because so question given final account have given the question is trial balance. Trial balance giving the question. The trial balance have we can take the prepare balance sheet final account here. Final account have what we can prepare that trading account, profit and loss account, and balance sheet we can prepare. Okay na? So why it is based on trial balance? This trial balance have we can record expenses, తర్వాత losses, incomes, gains, assets, liabilities, all transactions we can recall in a trial balance, friends. So what is expense, what is asset, what is liability, okay na, and what is loss, what is profit, we can clearly understood in this trial balance account, friends. Okay na, so that's why this is trial balance is the basic of the final accounts problems before given a trial balance chapter. Okay, so today we are discussing first of all what is trial balance. I will tell you first of all definition of a trial balance here is given. So the trial balance is a statement prepared with the debit and credit balances. What is that? Trial balance is a statement prepared with the debit and credit balances we are prepared. So you can take the particulars. That particular is what is debit and what is credit. We can record the amount of debit and credit column here, isn't it? Now ledger account to test the arithmetical accuracy of the books. Okay, now each and every account we can record in that trial balance. For example, purchase, sales returns, okay na, purchase returns, buildings, machines, furniture, okay, incomes, salaries, expenses, we are all we can record in the trial balance tab. Okay na, that's why trial balance is a statement prepared with the debit and credit balances of ledger accounts to the test the arithmetical accuracy of the books. This definition given Bartley Boy, isn't it? This definition given the Bartley Boy, friends. Okay now next one we can discussing futures of trial balance. Futures. Yeah, here is a futures of trial balance is a. This futures is first one is that it is a statement or list or schedule of the balances of ledger accounts, not an accounts. It is okay now. It is simply given. It is a statement of list or schedule of balances of the ledger account, not an account. It is okay now. This is the first future. Now second one is given here. So it is always prepared based on double entry principles of account. It is we can prepare the based on double entries here, isn't it? It is based on double entries. Now third one is it is a working paper. It is completely working paper. We are using compulsory every time we are using that trial balance. It is okay now next one is it is prepared periodically, usually at the end of each month or at the end of the accounting year. Every month at end of the accounting year we can compulsory prepare trial balance. That happen we can divide in the expenses, losses, assets, liabilities, incomes and losses. We are all divided in doing the accounts are there. Now next one is as it is prepared before the preparation of final accounts it is the basis for final accounts preparation. Exactly. So they have a trial balance is there. The trial balance is in the basis of final accounts. There is given the trial balance, we are doing the final account. There is not given the trial balance, so we cannot doing the final account is there. So that's why the trial balance is in the basis of final account, students. Reason. Now next one is the test the arithmetical accuracy of ledger accounts. Each and every ledger account, so we can do in this trial balance having. Okay na? Now next one, it may be prepared either vertical form of the horizontal form. We are doing the vertical or horizontal, isn't it? It is a vertical or horizontal type. We are doing the accounts is there. So this is a 5-6 futures is there. This is a trial balance having, friends. Now we are going to next one. You can take objectives. Next one is what? Objective, student. Reason. So these objectives are given to check the arithmetical accuracy of various ledger accounts. Each and every one compulsory checking the trial balance. The checking time is so it is useful for the final accounts is there. Now the check the arithmetical accuracy of various ledger accounts is there here. Okay na? And another one to help in preparation of final accounts. It is an already been told to act as a important tool for the auditing work. Yeah, it is very important. Auditing work purpose trial balance is very important tool. It is. So they have a trial balance. Auditing work is very easy. Okay na? That's why it is clearly mentioned the act as important tool for the auditing work. And next one, to generate match between ledger balances and final account citizen. And finally, to identify the errors, identify the compulsory errors and mistake crept in the preparation of accounts. Accounts prepare చేసినప్పుడు ఏమైనా మిస్టేక్స్ ఉన్నట్లయితే the mistakes ని compulsory trial balance here identifying now. Okay na? That's why trial balance is very important now. Now this trial balance have so for merits and demerits is there. Merits and demerits are limitations. Anyone is there. Merits and demerits or limitations is there. So what is the merits of trial balance here? First merit is what? It helps the ascertaining the arithmetical accuracy of ledger accounts. Each and every ledger accounts ki trial balance is useful. Okay. Now second point is it helps in locating clerical errors and mistakes. There is a compulsory identify the clerical mistakes and errors. Identifying the trial balance here, students. Compulsory. Okay na? Now third one is it enables the accountant or businessman to get a summary of the ledger accounts here. Okay na? Compulsory take the accountant and businessman. It is useful to trial balance design. Now next one, it acts a linking pin between the ledger balances and final account. So ledger balances gaanavandi, final account gaanavandi, 100% this trial balance toni linking pin compulsory untundi. Ikkada trial balance, they have no trial balance, we are not prepared the final accounts here, isn't it? That's why that is linking is there. Now next one, it is the main basis source for the preparation of final account of concern citizen. And next one, it is important for auditors. Auditors ki చాలా important it is trial balance. ఎందుకంటే auditors ki trial balance అనేది 100% useful గా ఉంటుంది ఇక్కడ. That's why it is a very important tool of the trial balance. These are the merits. Now given the demerits is demerits or limitations is given. The preparation of trial balance is a difficult and lengthy process singularity accounting system. So ఇక్కడ ప్రిపేర్ చేయడానికి ట్రయల్ బ్యాలెన్స్ అనేది కూడా కంపల్సరీ లెంతీ గానే ఉంటుంది. బట్ we are doing the lengthy process, then we will do very well final accounts. Okay na? So trial balance is one of the lengthy process. Now next one, Analyzing the two sides of trial balances is not sole and conceive proof of the complete corrections of accounting books. అంటే కంప్లీట్ గా ప్రతి ఒక్కటి పర్ఫెక్ట్ గా కరెక్షన్ చేయడానికి ట్రయల్ బ్యాలెన్స్ అనేది యూజ్ అవ్వ అంటే సమ్ టైమ్స్ వెరీ యూస్ఫుల్ టు ట్రయల్ బ్యాలెన్స్ సమ్ టైమ్స్ నాట్ యూస్ఫుల్ సో ఈచ్ అండ్ we are doing any work that have merits and demerits is there. So this trial balance is have also some of so many merits and some of the demerits is there. Okay now students, now next one, certain type of errors still exist, okay, and trial balance may not disclose the errors such as omission of entries in day book or subsidiary book or error of principal, wrong posting, amount of complete errors is there. వాటిని కూడా ట్రయల్ బ్యాలెన్స్ అనేది 100% హెల్ప్ఫుల్ గా ఉంటుంది. సో వై బికాస్ ట్రయల్ బ్యాలెన్స్ హ్యావ్ so many transactions can doing trial balance here. So trial balance have we can record expenses, incomes, assets, liabilities, profits, losses and gains. Those are all each and every transaction we can record into trial balance, isn't it? That's why we can record it. We are very helpful to the trial balance students here. Okay now, this is a very important of the trial balance, main basis of the final account students it is. Okay now, you will do perfectly trial balance, you 100% doing the final accounts here. Okay now, so this is a trial balance friends, and now next one of merits and demerits over. Now I am giving the types of trial balances. So first one is total balance method. Total balance method. Now second one is net balance method. First one is a total balance method and second one is a net balance method. So nowadays we are using the net balance method only. We are not using the total balance method. Okay now, so let us see what is total balance method here. Under this method is instead of taking balances in each ledger account, total of debit side and total of credit side of each individual's accounts is taken into account. Hence their balances here is prepared before ascertaining the balance. So it is so difficult is there. Why? Because total debit side and total credit side of the each individual's accounts we can taken into total balance method. Ante each and every one we can take now. Okay now, so net balance will have what we can take debit and credit dividing now. So debit balances we are taking debit side and credit balances we are taking credit side is there. Okay now, that is net balance will have shows the immediately amount of what is debit and what is credit here. Okay now, so net balance will have debit and credit each and every time both are equal. Debit and credit both are equal is there. So that is a net balance method. So we are using this net balance method is very popular nowadays. Each and every businesses can use the net balance method. Now we are also explaining the trial balance have second method of the net balance method trial balance problems we are doing now. Okay now, so we are doing also net balance method problems only. We are not doing the total balance method edition. Okay now, so net balance method is more popular than the above method. Above means the total method. Under this method, balance in each ledger account is taken into a trial balance. Each and every ledger account ni kuda trial balance prepare cheyadaniki easy ga untundi kabatti we are using a net balancing method student here. Okay na? So this net balance will have a debit side we can take assets, expenses, losses, drawings, goods, debitors, investment and bills receivables, isn't it? Or always we can recall into debit side it is. Okay na? Each and one. Assets we are taking, expenses we are taking, losses taking, and liabilities also taking now. Debit side, debit and credit different is it. That's why debit side we can take expenses, losses, isn't it? And assets and goods, debitors, investments, bills, receivables also we are taking from debit side trial balance. Now another one is what given credit side liabilities, incomes, gains, capitals, profits, isn't it? And reserves, provisions, creditors and bills payables also we can take it into credit side students. And the credit side is a different and debit side is a different business transactions we can record into doing the totals. So debit amount is total is what is the credit amount is total amount is also comes same debit and credit both same totals comes here now. Okay na? So this is a net balance will have we can take in. Okay students. Now next one we are taking the format of trial balance. Next one is what? Format of trial balance. Each and every chapter have one format is there. That's why here is also we can take the that what is that trial balance format. Okay. Now let us see all of you. Yeah, students. First one is the first column and is the next column. Second column, it is in third column, and it is in fourth column, and it is in fifth column. These 5 columns in trial balance format having. So let us start here. Trial balance format. So here is an serial number, here is a particulars, and here is an LF number, and here debit rupees, and here credit rupees. Isn't it students? Debit rupees and credit rupees. This is the trial balance format. This trial balance format have we cannot record the date. We can write only serial number. Serial numbers means what students here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many particular transactions given? The transactions all we can record the serial number wise in trial balance haven. Okay now, this time we can take the serial numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay now particulars have we can write liability, asset, isn't it? Income, expense, loss. What given? That particular we can write here. Okay now, so now LF is an empty. So there is given the LF number any transaction have, then we can record into LF number in this column. Okay, now debit rupees and credit rupees given. So debit rupees have what debit rupees we can record here. Let us see. Debit side is we can record assets, and another one is expenses. Next one losses. Assets, expenses, losses, and depreciations. Isn't it? What is that? Depreciations. So assets values we can record in debit side. Expenses values we can record debit side, losses values we can record debit side, depreciation amounts is also we can record into debit side, students. Debit column we can record. Now credit column, what we can record here? Liabilities, next one incomes and profits. Profits are gains. Okay, now profits are gains. So credit column we can record the liabilities amounts, and another one is incomes amounts, and another one is profit or gains amounts. So we can record in the credit side. So this means what? So we can record the all particular. What is the name? We can record in particular column. Amount only we can record debit and credit. That particular is an asset. We can record into amount is a debit side. That particular is an expense. That amount we can record into debit side. That particular is a loss. We can record into debit side. That particular is a depreciation. We can record into debit side. Okay, now once another one. Now that particular is a liability, we can record into credit side. Okay, now that particular is an income, we can record into credit side. That particular is a profit, we can record into credit side. Isn't it? So assets means what here? For example, land, buildings, machinery, furniture. Isn't it? Cash, bank. Isn't it? Investments. These are all is what students here? Assets. Okay, now these are all assets. Amounts we can record into which side? Debit side. Okay, now expenses means salaries. Okay, now wages and electricity payment, postage charges, and payment of salaries. Okay, now all expenses, insurance payment, electricity bill payment. Okay, now what is the expenses say? That all expenses we can record in the debit side. Losses, business have comes any loss. For example, bad debits is what? Loss. The bad debits we can record into which side? Debit side. The bad debits we can record the amount is a debit side. Now depreciation. So every year machinery have can depreciate the 10%, 5% or 20% or 15%. We are deducting. That means what? It is a loss. That loss of the depreciations also we can record into debit side and trial balances. Okay, now students. Now next one is liabilities. Liabilities is what students here? Creditors, bills payables, outstanding expenses, isn't it? And overdraft. Which overdraft it is in? Bank overdraft, bank loan. These are all liabilities given and capital also one of the liability here. Okay, now the capital also we can record into this credit side, students. Capital also we can record in the credit side. Okay, now incomes. For example, you can take sales. Sales is in what? Income. Purchases is in what? Expense. Okay, now so next commission received, rent received, isn't it? So interest received. These are all what? Incomes. These are all incomes we can record into which side? Credit side, students here. We can record into credit side. Now profits, gross profit, net profit. So any one profits is a business have receiving any gains or profits, we can record into credit side only. Isn't it? So overall students, you can keep your mind each and every one: assets, expenses, losses, depreciations, amounts we can record into debit column. Okay, now liabilities, incomes, profit or gains amounts we can record into credit side. This is keep your mind each and everyone. Okay na? Why? Because that the type of transactions only comes in a trial balance problems having. Okay na? For example, I will explain the one problem for you students. Yeah, here is given the one problem. Let us see. Capital 1,70,000. Furniture, the value is 30,000 rupees, and sundry creditors. Sundry creditors 40,000 rupees. Okay. Now next cash 50,000. Cash given 50,000, and purchases given what is the amount at 11,600. Wait for a moment. Cash 50,000. Sundry debitors here, not purchases. Sundry debitors 50,000. Sundry debitors 50,000 rupees, and buildings 80,000. Buildings 80,000. These are all given for example in this question, exam question 1. So we can record these transactions in trial balance. How we can record that? Let us see. So first is what given here. First here is given capital. Write down just first of all. Number 1. Capital. Capital is in what students here? Liability. Okay na? Capital is in liability. So all liabilities we can record into which side? It is in a credit side. That's why we can record into amount of liabilities capital 1,70,000. 1,70,000. Okay na? Now next one furniture. You can write second serial number 2. Furniture. Okay, this furniture is an what student? It is an asset. Assets we can record into which side? Debit side. So we can write debit side. That amount is 30,000. Nil. Now next one given sundry creditors. Write down third one. Sundry creditors. What amount given sundry creditors here? 40,000. Sundry creditors is in what first of all? Liability. Liabilities we can record which side? Credit side. That's why we can write down here sundry creditors 40,000 rupees. Okay. Now next one cash. Fourth one given cash. That amount is what? 50,000. Okay. And now next sundry debitors. Fifth one. Sundry debitors. What is the value of that? 50,000 rupees. Why we can record into debit side? Sundry debitors is one of the asset, isn't it? Sundry debitors is one of the asset. That's why we can record into which side? It is a debit side. Now next one given buildings. Buildings is in what? Asset. Then we can write here sixth one. Buildings. Buildings value is given how much? 80,000 rupees. We can record into which side? It is in a debit side. Why? Because buildings is an asset. We can write asset side. So all transactions transaction is completed, we can record debit side some transactions and credit side some transactions we can record. Now what we are doing here, then given the transaction, it is an asset, liability, income, expense, isn't it? So just we can identify that. You can identify, you will write correct in their boxes. Okay, now first of all you can identify what is that. What is it is an asset or liability? It is income or expense? It is profit or loss? Just you can think that one. You can write very easily. Okay, now friends. So we don't make a balance carry down or capital. We don't make. Just we can doing the total. Both debit and credit side comes to equal amount. That's correct. Coming the equal amount, our answer is correct here. Okay, now let us see first of all. Liability is 0, 0, and again 0. 7 plus 0, 7 plus 1, 7 plus 4, 11. Here is 1 plus 1, 2. 2 lakhs 10,000 rupees is in liabilities. Sorry, creditors. Now here 0, 0, 0. Fifth column also 0. Fourth column. Now 5 plus 5, 10. 10 plus 8, 18. 18 plus 3, 21. Okay, now equal comes now. Debit value is at 2,10,000. Credit value is 2,10,000. We don't make there. Just we can write the debit and credit amounts is and comes here. Both are is and same. That is our answer is correct. Your comes to debit balance is 2,10,000. Credit balance is 2,20,000 comes now. That is your answer is wrong. Okay, now it is clearly showing that one. So debit credit both comes to equal. That is correct answer. Okay, now so these are all liabilities. So these are all this is completely assets and liabilities given. Then we can record. Okay, now so this type of trial balances we can record in the trial balance account here. Okay, now so this is trial balance, friends. Tomorrow onwards we'll doing the one by one problems. You don't forget what is comes debit, what is comes credit. Just you can think and read your textbook. Okay, now each and you can understood that. Okay, thank you, students. Thank you so much. We will meet tomorrow class.